Okay guys, real quick, the upload schedule on my channel is every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 6:15 p.m. Eastern. But in addition to that, I'm trying my best to upload as frequently as possible on this channel. And I'm really close to pulling the trigger and saying that I'm probably gonna start doing daily uploads very soon. But in the meantime, what I am doing is, on the weekends when I have free time, I'm filming as many videos as I possibly can. So on my channel, you're gonna be seeing more videos than just Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Just look for the videos. Monday to Friday, these videos are gonna pop up at 6:15 p.m. Eastern time, and Saturday, Sunday, the videos are gonna pop up at 11 a.m. Eastern time. Good morning guys, and welcome to the channel. A couple of weeks ago, I made a video showing you guys these LED puddle lights that light up the floor when you open up the doors. Check out this clip. I showed you that modification that I made for my Dodge Charger wide-body Hellcat. But the most important thing, the reason why I even installed these on my Hellcat is because in the past, other products that are made by other companies, it requires you to remove the door panel, drill a hole underneath the door, and it gets messy. I didn't want to deal with that nonsense. These lights, the lights that I'm using for my Hellcat, are plug and play. You literally just pop out the lens, swap out the light, and you're done. The install to do each door is probably like 2 minutes per door. Not joking, not even exaggerating. It's literally that fast. So when I made that video, a lot of my Dodge Charger subscribers were like, yo, what about us? Like, will that product work with our car? And the answer was no. The light that I use for the Dodge Challenger will not work with the Dodge Charger. But the reason why I'm making today's video is because I went on their website and they are now officially taking pre-orders for the Dodge Charger version. Not only that, I also want to update you guys. It's not just for Hellcats, because at first when I placed my order, I think there was only a Hellcat version available. But for the Dodge Charger, they're taking pre-orders right now for the Hellcat version. They're taking pre-orders for the 392 version, Scat Pack, and I believe they also have a couple of different colors for you to choose from also. I think it's just like white and red. But go on their website. The link is right here, blastled.com. No, I am not being paid by these guys to make this video. I literally, when I first got the light, I actually purchased the light myself. Yes, they ended up sending me a free light after they saw my video, but like I said, I purchased it just because I thought it looked pretty cool. I love the fact that the install looked extremely simple, and if anything were to ever go wrong, I could really easily just pop it out and put the factory one back in. Now, for the guys that did not see the install video on how they get installed and how easy it is to install, I'm not gonna make you go back and find that video because odds are you're busy, I get it, and you don't have time to go searching through all my videos to go find it. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to attach the older video to this video, and that video is gonna start playing in the next few seconds. And guys, if it's not too much, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and now that video is gonna start playing right now. All right guys, let's go ahead and start this unboxing. Okay, so we have Blast LED light. Show you guys, give you guys a good view. Now this light obviously is for my Hellcat Challenger, but this product, they also do make this product for the Hellcat Charger. The one for the Hellcat Charger should be about to ship or already started shipping. But let me show you guys what it looks like. The reason why I pulled the trigger on this is because it's supposed to be completely plug and play. Literally should just be a matter of popping out the light that's already under the door and popping this one in. At least that's what I was told. I haven't tried it yet, so we're gonna find out right now, and we're gonna pull out the Hellcat and install this in the driveway. Okay, so in the past when I did the similar mod on my first Challenger, I could have sworn I remember them having to remove the panel on the door and then drill like a hole that was probably this big on the bottom to fit that light. The only reason why I bought this one was because they claim it was all plug and play. So let's kind of just go, I'm gonna go underneath here to show you guys where the light is. I haven't done this yet, so this is literally my first time. So yeah, here it is right here. There's a little hole over here, so I'm gonna pop a screwdriver in there, pop this out. Actually, very easy to pop out. All right, so it's simple to pop out. You guys just saw what I did. This is what the original one looks like. Now let's go ahead and put on the new one. Also, when you do it, keep in mind one is labeled L and one is labeled R for right, so I guess this is the left one. Let me just flip the switch. There we go. So we do have light. On the daylight, you're not going to see this probably on the ground. There we go. Snap right back in. All right, that was easy. As you can see right now on the ground, you can't see anything. Like I said, it's pure daylight out right now. Like I said, we'll pull it into the garage where it's darker. And if you actually want to see a shot of this completely lit up at nighttime, go follow me on Instagram, because I'm gonna literally upload and edit this video right after I'm done, so it's still daylight out, so it's not gonna be ready in time. I'll pull it into the garage, show you what it looks like in there, but I will have a nighttime shot posted on my Instagram page, JMCRides.official. So if you're not already following me on Instagram, go ahead, make sure you go follow me there, and you'll see exactly what it looks like at nighttime. All right, we do have lights, so let's go ahead and pull this into the garage and see what it looks like on the ground. Let's go ahead and open this door up. Boom, there you go, guys. Very cool. I cannot believe how cool this mod looks and how cheap it was and how easy it was for me to install. I'd say you can literally install the whole thing, both sides, in less than 10 minutes. Obviously, when you close the door, it's gonna turn off when it's on the inside. And here, let's see if you guys can see the passenger. So I got the driver door open, so that means that the light on the passenger side is also on. Cool thing is, I can actually see the Hellcat logo. On the camera, it shows up a little blurry, but I can actually make out that Hellcat logo from the driver's seat, which is actually like a nice little touch. But that means if somebody's getting in on the passenger side of my vehicle, they're gonna see that Hellcat logo on the driver's side also. I'll go ahead, I'm gonna put the info for their website in the description below, so if you want, you can check it out. All right, guys, like I said before, make sure you follow me on Instagram, because tonight, once the sun goes down, I will pull the Hellcat out of the garage. I'll open up the doors and show you exactly what it looks like when it's pitch black outside. Very cool looking product. No, this video was not sponsored. I actually just bought the product because I thought it looked cool. If you're curious about the longevity of the product, I don't know, hit me up on Instagram. You guys are always free to ask me questions on Instagram, and I'll go ahead and respond to you directly, or I'll respond to you guys through a video like I've done in the past. And one last thing, do not throw out your stock lights, just in case. If for some reason there's issues with these new ones that I just installed, I doubt there will be any issues, but just in case there are any issues, keep your stock lights, guys. Don't throw them out just in case you need them. Just throwing that out there. Now, if you are the owner of the product that I just went ahead and installed on my vehicle, hit me up. I don't know, I'm really curious if you guys are having any plans on making that Hellcat logo in a different color. I would love to have it in red. So if you want to hit me up, you can always hit me up on Instagram, jmcrides.official. If it's your first time on the channel, hit that subscribe button, click the bell icon so you can sign up for notifications, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.